Welcome. If you're wondering how to search for something specifically from your saved pins on the Pinterest app using a PC, especially after the new update, you're in the right place. The process is simple and lets you quickly find exactly what you've pinned before without sifting through all the other content on Pinterest. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC and make sure you're logged in. You'll land on the home page, where you can start your search. At the top, you'll see the search bar. This is your gateway to finding anything on Pinterest. Click inside the search bar to get started. Now, type in the keywords for what you want to find. For example, if you're looking for summer outfit ideas or vegan dinner recipes, just type those words right into the search field. Here's the key new step. Right next to the search bar, there's a drop-down menu where you can filter your search results. Click on that and select the option labeled Your Pins. This tells Pinterest to limit the search only to the pins you've saved to your profile. After selecting your pins, press Enter or click the search icon. Pinterest will now show you results pulled exclusively from your personal collection of pins, making it much easier to locate that specific idea, recipe, or project you saved earlier. This feature helps you cut through the noise of the larger Pinterest universe and focuses the search on your own saved content, which is perfect for when you remember saving something but can't remember where. So, to recap, 1. Open Pinterest app on your PC. 2. From the home page, click the search bar. 3. Type what you want to find. 4. Next to the search bar, choose your pins from the drop-down. 5. Hit Enter to see only your saved pins matching your query. With this straightforward method, searching on Pinterest has never been easier or more personalized. Try it out the next time you need to find something in your own collection. It's a real time saver.